Hello everyone and welcome back. So it has been a couple of months since I filmed a video, but I just wanted to jump on here and let you know why that is and just tell you a couple of updates. Also, when I turned the camera on today, there was this really weird noise coming from it, so I'm hoping that you can still hear me. There's a couple reasons as to why I haven't updated in the past couple of months. So the first big thing is I became an auntie. My twin sister Amy and her husband Jeff had a little baby boy in January, and his name is Oliver. He is the cutest little baby I've ever seen, and no, I don't think I'm biased, but I probably am. But yeah, he's really cute and I love him so much. On another note, in February we unfortunately had to put down Gemma, my cat. She was 20 years old and it was just her time. Her back legs were kind of giving way, but on the last night that she was here, she actually climbed up one of my mum's stairs because my mum had recently moved in that time, so I was also helping her move during all this. And Gemma actually climbed up one of my mum's steps. So she could still walk. She was still surprising us by jumping up on the lounge and everything, but we could tell that it was going to get worse. Rather than let her suffer in the weeks to come, we thought, well, her back legs are getting worse, and the last week she actually wasn't going to the bathroom as much, so it was going to get worse from there. Oh, and also if I'm spinning it's because I got my new chair, but I'll get into that later. Anyway, rather than her suffering towards the end, we thought, well, she's still happy, this is the perfect time. And although there never is a perfect time to say goodbye to a pet, we knew that it was the right thing to do because she wasn't really in any pain and she was able to enjoy her last week. So yeah, she had Cayce chicken 3 times and she actually ran to it, which was so cute. So while it was bittersweet because we knew that the day would come, that last week it was really good because Gemma was really happy. She was eating her KFC chicken. She was spoiled, even more spoiled than normal, and we really did enjoy our time with Gemma. So unfortunately February 16th we had to put her down. I actually went into the room and so did my mum, and we spoke to her and we patted her, and it was quite quick and she wasn't in any pain. I think when they put down pets it's just an overdose of anaesthetic, so it would have just been going to sleep. And even though it's April, we still miss her like crazy. We still, occasionally cry about her because she was my best friend, so it's really hard without her. But yeah, the great thing is that we knew that she had a long life. She was almost 20 and a half, which is crazy. Her actual breed, their lifespan is only 12 to 16. So yeah, she had a long happy life and we had her for an amazing 10 plus years. So I'm really grateful that she came into our life, and I actually have a little shrine for her. Another thing is, which is really exciting for me anyway, is I'm starting an Etsy store. It's called Gemma Rose Design. Again, that's a little tribute to Gemma. While I haven't actually listed anything yet, I'm in the process of getting everything together. I've actually got a clothes rack over there with some of the onesies, because what the store will actually be is I will be selling baby onesies and I will be having Harry Potter slogans on them, Friends slogans, pop culture things, because I'm obsessed with pop culture. I also really love baby clothes, so I thought this was the perfect mix. This is my new chair as well, pink one, and it swivels. We all love our swivel chairs, well, at least me anyway. So I will just talk you through a couple of things that I have for my Etsy store. So I actually got a Silhouette Cameo 3, which is the cutter to actually cut the vinyls. I also have a heat press. So I actually purchased a converter which allows me to use an American appliance in Australia. So what I plan to do is I plan on wrapping the onesies in the brown paper, and I bought Harry Potter stamps from Etsy, so I plan on hand stamping the Harry Potter stamps onto the brown paper, then the onesies will go in there. I also bought some boxes from Queen. I can't help but say it like that, I don't know why. So yeah, I bought some boxes from Queen in Australia. I bought 50 of them because they go in bulk, so the more you buy, the cheaper it is. So far I'm really happy with those. I set one up the other week and all was good. I also got some business cards, some thank you cards and whatnot from Vistaprint, and again I had a really great experience there. So I'm really excited to start that up, and I thought I might make a couple of videos because I know that while I've been in the process of buying everything, I have been binging like Etsy videos, business videos, so I would like to contribute to those and just show a couple of things, maybe me building, you know, the desk and my office setup and my office tour, and I'm just really excited for that. How are you guys? What have you been up to? Let me know in the comments because I would love to chat and reconnect. So yeah, have a great 2019, but I will be back, and bye.